Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. In this YouTube video, we're going to be going over Xpeng. Going to give y'all a little update on what's going on with Xpeng and where I think it's headed. Now, before we get into this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, thank you for all the support y'all been giving me on my new videos. It's truly appreciated. Now, let's get right into the video. Let's discuss what Xpeng's doing today and where I think it's heading. So, at the time of this video, right now, Xpeng is actually up $1.89. Now, I talked about on my videos on Friday and over the weekend that as long as we held the support, which we did on Friday, then we were bullish. And guys, that's exactly what happened. We held support and we pushed up today. So if you're an Xpeng, this is exactly what you want to see. So right now, we're starting to break the trend. So obviously, we've been on this really downtrend, this slow bleed off, pretty much since we hit all-time highs. Now we're starting to turn that around. So if you're in Xpeng, this is exactly what you want to see. Now, we did hold support. So what's next for Xpeng? Where are we going? What's the next level of interest? Okay, so the first level y'all need to look at is this 48.11 area. This is a resistance. It previously acted as a support. So old supports act as new resistances. So when we push up, when we continue to push up on Xpeng, and if we do, then we need to look at this area right here. How is Xpeng going to react to this area? Are we going to consolidate and break through? Or are we going to get instantly rejected and come screaming down? So that's the two scenarios you need to be looking at for Xpeng. Now if you're bullish on Xpeng, you want to see some consolidation and us break right through. That's the best case scenario for Xpeng. And once again, like I said, we held this support. So this is a good start off for Xpeng. We just need to continue this momentum. We have this bullish momentum right now. We're up $1.89 and we need to continue this. Now, I doubt we'll get up to resistance today, but tomorrow we could. It's more than likely that tomorrow we test resistance. But if we don't and we come screaming down, then we need to still hold this support. This has been a strong support. Y'all have seen in my previous videos that we held it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we know that this area does not need to be broken. But that's why we have our stop loss implemented. If it dips below, cut, wait for better entry. But right now, if you got in at support, move your stop loss up. And this advice, guys, remember, is if you're trading Xpeng. If you're in it with shares and you got an entry up here, this doesn't apply to you. So if you're just trading Xpeng and you're looking, to only hold it for a couple of days, then this is the video that applies to you. If you're investing and holding Xpeng for a little while because you got in a bad entry up here, that's completely fine. My advice for y'all is just to hold on, wait, and guys, this will return because I talked about that the transaction for Xpeng, the share offering has been completed. So they sold the shares. That bearish news is out now. It's already happened. It's done. The transaction has completed. Unlike Neo, that transaction hasn't completed yet, and that's why I talked about why Xpeng is green today. Xpeng is green today because their transaction has already happened. It's out of the way and we can continue this uptrend or start uptrending again on Xpeng. This is what you want to see on Xpeng after the sale of this transaction. So if you're in shares right now and you got an entry up here or even at the $60 mark, it's okay. Just stomach the ride. I think we are starting this uptrend again just because the share offering's over and there's nothing really more holding us back. So if you're trading Xpeng though and you're only looking to be in it for a couple days, maybe even a week, then move your stop loss up. As we uptrend on Xpeng, move your stop loss up so you save that profit that you could have had or that you have when it has those pullbacks. So that's my advice if you're trading it. Now, we need to really get above this resistance area for Xpeng. So if you're watching this video, on tomorrow's session, see where we're at. Are we above resistance? If we are, good. We're going for it. We're probably heading back to the $56 range. But if we get rejected by resistance, that's a bearish sign, guys. We really do not need that to happen. So we need to push above resistance tomorrow and hold above it. The important part is that we hold above it. Make sure we hold above it and we can confirm that we actually broke through. But if we get rejected, guys, the next thing that we're going to be looking at is, does it come back to support and do we hold it? We know we've held it 5 times before, but can it hold it a 6th time? That's something you need to ask yourself. But like I said, I'm really bullish on Xpeng. And from my video on Friday and the weekend, we held the support and I was right and we're bullish today. So once again, we need to get above this resistance and we will be bullish tomorrow. So this is actually a little update from where I was actually recording this video. This is probably an hour from when I was previously recording that video. We had a huge massive surge, so I just wanted to go ahead and record this for you before I actually post this video, because I'm going to post this video a little later today. But I wanted to make sure that I included this surge we just had. So we were only up like $1.40 on Xpeng before when I recorded the video. Now we're up $3.11. So this was to be expected. Everything's playing out like I said it was going to. Now, once again, where are we at? We're at the resistance. So, plan still has not changed. We're just getting closer to the resistance, and I wanted to show y'all that we're actually going to the resistance. Now, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, because it really does help my channel grow. And once again, if you want to see a specific video, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to make that for you. Anyways, I will see you all